66,000.
6,66,000.
This multiplied by this. What is the total?
79,920, sir.
7,45,920 is the total. For this, add HEC at 4%. This into 4%. What is the total then?
$7,75,757, sir.
7,75,757.
Yes, sir.
You guys can see now clearly. I will call this one as A. For my reference, I am calling this one as A. I am calling this one as B. Tax payable will be A or B. Tax payable is A or B. A is this one, B is this one, A or B, whichever is higher. Which is the highest one?
7,75,757, sir.
That means you will have to pay tax AMT. Understood?
Yes,
What is that name? What is that AMT expansion? Alternate
minimum tax.
Minimum tax. Minimum you have to pay this much only. But you can pay maximum also. How maximum? If this becomes, tax payable becomes 8,50,000. Which is the higher?
8,50,000, sir.
Then you will have to pay tax 8,57,000. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will just take this one as 2,50,000 only. Now the second question will come. Sir, according to non-union provision, I should have paid only 2,50,000, but I am paying excess. The difference of tax, you can take the credit in the future years when your tax payable is as per normal provision, is higher. What is the difference? How much is the difference? This minus 2,50,000. Difference is 5,27,757 is the AMT credit. AMT credit is this much. Assume that this is for 2021. Okay. We have calculated for 2021. Now I will calculate for 21-22. Assume that the same thing I will copy, but I will change the figures. Here it is 9 lakhs. I am getting. Here I am getting 6 lakhs. Which is the higher one?
9 lakhs, sir.
9 lakh is the higher one. But you can claim a deduction of this amount from this. From this amount, you get the deduction of this. But how much? How much I can get the deduction? Can I get the deduction full or how much? The deduction will be restricted to restricted to minimum of 6 lakhs you have to pay. Minimum 6 lakhs you have to pay. Tax payable should be 6 lakhs. Minimum you have to pay. That is what is the term called as alternate minimum tax rate. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That means the difference of 3 lakhs you can claim the deduction. Difference of these two, you can claim the deduction. Then what is the amount carried forward to next year? 2,25,757 you can carry forward. Are you guys understanding?
Yes, sir.
They will ask the question. Mother. They will ask the question, what is the tax payable? One question they may ask. What is the tax payable? What you need to understand in that? The tax as per normal provision or tax as per AMT, whichever is higher you need to pay. That is the first question they may ask. Second thing, how much AMT credit can be carried forward? Carried forward credit is how much they may ask, which is nothing but the difference of AMT amount and the normal provision. That is the amount of credit AMT they can carry forward. Third thing, AMT is applicable to individual HUF, AOP, BOI or artificial juridical person, irrespective of its total income, they may ask. The answer should be no. They will give the options. You should tick the answer no. Okay. Or they may give, if the total adjusted total income exceeds 25 lakhs or 20 lakhs, less than 20 lakhs, like that they may give. That is the third question. Fourth question, how much AMT credit can be set off? Then the AMT credit can be restricted to the difference of tax on normal provision and tax on AMT, whichever is less. Till that only you have to restrict. That means you have to pay minimum this. Assume that if you claim full, what happens? If you claim full, what happens? You will end up paying 3,74,243. Right? In this year. Is that correct?
Yeah. No, sir.
Why no? Because the provision says minimum you have to pay this much. Minimum you have to pay this much. If you take entire credit, how much you are paying? Less than this, right? That is not allowed. Minimum you have to pay 6 lakhs. The balance will be the difference of tax payable and the minimum tax. You can take the credit. These many questions they can frame in this chapter. The same logic it is applicable for MAT also. MAT, MAT. Minimum alternate tax, that one. This is what? Alternate minimum tax. That is minimum alternate tax. What is the tax rate for the minimum alternate AMT? AMT tax rate is how much?
18.5%.
AMT tax rate 18.5%. Keep it somewhere. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like
Yes, sir.
this, they may frame the questions. See how the adjusted total income will come. Total income, add, deduction under section these. Okay. Next, section 35 AD. Whatever the amount you have claimed, deduct that one. 10 AA deduction. How much 10 AA? For the first 5 years, it is 100% of profit of the SEZ unit. Next 5 years, it will be 50%. Next 5 years, it will be amount transferred to SEZ reserve account or 50% of profit, whichever is higher or less. Whichever is less. If you claim the deduction there, same amount you need to add, then you will get the adjusted total income. On this, you need to apply 18.5% plus surcharge plus health and education cess. Okay. If the regular tax payable is more than or equal to alternate minimum tax, the regular income tax payable is the tax liability. If the regular income tax is less than the alternate minimum tax, the alternate minimum tax is the tax liability. One thing, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute, I will come back, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, I'm extremely sorry. Okay, you guys understood, right? this tax credit, I was telling about the tax credit, no? It has to be carried forward for 15 assessment years. How many years you can carry forward?
15.
This
15
tax
assessment
credit,
year.
this tax credit is there, no? 15 years you can carry forward. That means in this year you are paying minimum AMT. Next year, if you pay normal tax, you can set off. Again, if you are paying AMT in the next year also, add to this. That next year's 15 years. This year, 15 years. After 10 years, if you get the credit, then that credit will be carried forward for 15 years, like that. Understood? In that way. This is very simple. They will give all the information. You just need to add those deductions which you have claimed. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That is the only thing you need to understand. Which income needs to be added, to whom and all it is applicable. If it is an individual, then the adjusted total income exceeds 20 lakhs, then only it will be applicable. I think it is not 20 lakhs, it will be 2 crores. If you give me permission, I don't know whether they have AMT in CA Inter. Let me check. I'm little confused. I mean to say little susceptible to the amount. No. Have I completed this tax rates? I mean for the companies 20%, 22%, 15%, 22%. Those I have completed?
No, sir.
No? 15%, 22%. I have not completed. See, what I am seeing is I am thinking that I have completed. Just confirm me. If I have not completed, I will complete. That tax rates in the previous year, 2021, if the turnover is less than 400 crores. 400 crores or 400 lakhs, which one? Have I not done that one?
Completed, sir.
Yes, that's what.
400 crores.
Those 15% manufacturing, other than manufacturing, have I completed or not?
Yes, sir.
I have completed, right? Okay. Those things also, remember, you will get the question on those things. Those tax rates also you will get. Minimum alternate, it is there, but why I'm not finding? Give me 2 minutes because that amount I need to confirm. If something goes wrong, no, then you will be in trouble. That's why I'm just double checking. It is not for CA Inter. For you guys, see, they have included all. If you see JC, please stop me, okay? AMT levy, okay, it's here. If you guys can see, can you guys see?
Yes, sir.
18%. Not applicability of AMT provisions. Tax credit. See here, 20 lakhs. Okay, that's correct. 20 lakhs is correct one. I thought it is 2 crores initially. That's why I got little confused. Okay, and one more thing I got to know from this. If you see, from this, when you read, I think I made a mistake in calculating this one. Surcharge is not applicable. Surcharge is not applicable. Only HEC will be applicable. No surcharge on this one, AMT. Okay, whatever the tax you pay, 18.5%, on that 4% you apply HEC. The rest are all same thing. Compare, whichever is higher you pay that one. The difference you carry forward as AMT credit for 15 years. If you pay normal tax, take the AMT credit subject to minimum alternate tax. Okay, minimum you have to pay this much. The difference of these two, you can take the credit. That is the logic. Okay, we will see some questions. If there is any, we will solve that one so that you will get better idea. It will be given AMT only they will give. If they do not give AMT, how will you find out AMT is applicable or not? If they do not provide what is the tax payable or the AMT payable, how will you understand that it is the question related to AMT? Those three deductions.
Yeah, 80, 35, 80, 115 piece.
80H2, 80 RRB, excluding ATP, that is one. Section 10 AA is the another one. And 35 AD deductions, which the assessee has claimed. Then you need to apply AMT. Compulsorily, you need to apply AMT. Provided individual AOP, BOI, HUF, and artificial juridical person their adjusted total income. Adjusted total income in the sense total income as per normal provision. Add back those deduction claimed. If it exceeds 20 lakhs, then only AMT will be applicable for them. Otherwise, no AMT. It is flat for all. I mean to say it is applicable for all. If the total adjusted total income exceeds 20 lakhs, then the individuals has to pay AMT. What is the percent? How much is the percentage?
The 18.5%.
18.5%. Okay. This is the question of 115 JB. Okay. Individual associate. Utpal Dutt, an individual associate engaged in the business of gold, silver, jewelry at Kolkata, presents the following information and asks you to state the amount of tax. See, amount of tax they have told paid by him for the assessment year 21-22. That means 22-23. Tax calculated on total income. This is the total income. See, Utpal Dutt is an individual. Okay. 115 JC they have told. What is the tax credit? Where we saw 15 years. Here we saw 15 years. No. Have they given the section? Okay. Sorry. Okay. See, normal provision tax 18 lakhs. If you come to this normal provision tax, how much they have given? 18 lakhs. Okay. As per 115 JC AMT, how much? 14 lakhs. How much you need to pay tax out of these two?
18.
Why 18?
Whichever is higher.
Whichever is higher. That means $18 lakhs. Okay, we will pay 18 lakhs tax. Now, the question, AMT credit bought forward for the assessment year 22-26 AMT credit they have bought 6 lakhs. That means this AMT credit 6 lakhs is there. Then tell me how much is the tax payable? Can I deduct entire 6 lakhs?
No.
Or how much I need to deduct?
4 lakhs.
Why 4 lakhs?
AMT is 14 lakhs. So
that much you need to pay. That much you need to pay. See, if I deduct 6 lakhs, how much it comes? 18 lakhs minus 6 lakhs, 12 lakhs will come. Tax payable. Right? If I deduct entire credit 6 lakhs, I will be ending paying 12 lakhs. The answer will be given. See, 18 lakhs will also be given. 14 lakhs may be given. 12 lakh is also given. Let's see. 18 lakh is given. 14 lakh is given. 12 lakh is given. And 8 lakhs, I don't know how they have got 8 lakhs. They have given. What is the tax payable?
14 lakhs.
14 lakhs. What is the answer?
B.
B. 39. 39B. What is the answer? Understanding how the question will come?
Yes, sir.
Okay, easy. You need not have to do anything here in this question. You need not have to do anything. Just need to understand, apply how much, apply your what you call mind, how much tax need to be paid. Here, don't deduct from 18 lakhs, don't deduct entire 6 lakhs because you are expected to pay minimum 14 lakhs. That is the tax payable.
Sir, if
Yeah.
there is no AMT credit, then we would have paid
Then
18 lakhs.
18 lakhs.
18, okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Question number 39. See, they will ask. I tell you now, question one minimum question will come from 115 JB, 115 JC. JB means for the companies, JB is JC for others. Normally will give, normally. If you see 3 attempt paper, 1 attempt or minimum 2 attempts, you will get question on this. Any doubt in that? Any doubt, any clarification required? Straightforward question will be there. Another thing I will be keep stressing, straightforward question will be there. Only thing you need to apply your mind, the provisions. They will not give some other things. See, 8, how they got 14 minus 6, they have got 8. Okay, that is not the case. See, this is MAT. Okay, this is MAT. I will convert this one to AMT. Put A before AMT credit. Okay, Sam, don't read P Limited. Sam has AMT credit of 10.5 lakhs belonging to the assessment year 15-16. 15-16 assessment year, you can take it as 16-17 assessment, 16-17 assessment year. 1 year add because it is for 21. Now we are in 22. That is why. Okay. For the assessment year 16-17. What is the maximum time limit up to which AMT credit can be carried forward by Sam? Up to which year? You need to calculate how many years you can carry forward.
15 years.
15.
15 what?
15 years.
Assessment years.
Assessment years. Okay. This is 16-17 assessment year. In that assessment year, you have a credit. Then calculate 15 years from this.
Thirty, 32, 31, 32 will come, sir, but here it is 30, 31.
Yeah. According to this, it is 30, 31. 31, 32 will come. According to this, 30, 31. You can take this one also, no problem at all. Because they have not given the current assessment year kind of a thing. It is no harm in taking this one also. 30, 31. What is the answer? Answer is C. Okay, for MAT also same thing, 15 years only. For AMT also 15, for MAT also 15. For both it is same, carry forward. Okay, What is the answer? 38C. Okay, we will see. First, I will see whether AMT is there. For my curiosity sake, just can anyone tell me the answer for 41? Botham Manufacturing Private Limited paid 4,25,000 to LMN Services Private Limited, who is engaged in operation of call center. When you see this word, call center, what it should click to you? What it should click to you? Call center. ಏನು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು? TDS, which section? 194J. What is the percentage?
10%.
10% for normal. For call center, it is 2%. Okay, 2% on which amount? On this 4,25,000. What is the amount? TDS amount?
8,500.
8,500. Okay. For 42, question number 42. Yesterday, I think last class I should have done these two. I missed. Because AMT is finished. That is why I'm asking. There is no further questions on AMT in this chapter, in this one also, and there is no further things to explain in AMT. Whatever was there, I explained. What is this? EXE Automobiles Private Limited, a dealer in motor car. What it should click to you? Dealer in motor car means TCS should click. What is the threshold limit for the collecting TCS?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. What is the amount you should collect?
1%.
1% on what?
Stamp duty value.
Value. How much is the value?
12,60,000.
12,60,000.
On this, 1% is how much?
12,600.
See, all are easy. Only thing you need to remember. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh, 43. Manoj, age 45, earned 5,20,000 from business and 32 as interest on fixed deposits held with the Canara Bank for the assessment year ended 31st December 2021. How much would be the amount of tax deductible at source by bank on this said deposit? TDS on deposit is 5%. Is it 5% or 10%?
10%.
I think 194D maybe. 194D insurance commission, Dalal means agent insurance. Somewhere it comes. Okay. Huh? I haven't done this one because I told these are all very easy. If the interest is more than this amount, then only the bank will deduct the TDS. What is that amount?
40,000.
No, no, no. That 40,000 and all, I think it is 80 TTA, TTB, 10,000 and this one. Just see the threshold limit in that. If it is within the threshold limit, then answer is nil. If it is above the threshold limit, then you need to direct, bank need to direct TDS, TDS. Bank need to make TDS. The 80 TTA, TTB, core banking. Core banking means for all the bank put together, the interest is more than 10,000. Then you can get, bank will deduct the TDS. What is the amount? Please check that amount. I think it is 50,000, I believe. If I am correct, it is 50,000 or somewhere 40,000 or 50,000. Okay. Then only the bank will have to make the TDS.
Sir, can you show 41 question also?
40?
One, I scroll little up, sir. Yes, sir, got it.
The call center.
Yes, sir, got it.
194J. Okay, just I am seeing EMC. Is business income 8 lakhs for the how much advance tax? We will come to this. Please mark this question. When there is a advance tax question, I will come back to this question. June 21, problem number 44. And this one also 47. I will do this one 234 ABC. In that there is a late fee 234F. 47, question number 47. Okay, no AMT question in that. And we left.
I think the last question was also related in the previous one. 50,
AMT.
Not AMT, but 220 lakhs previous year.
Turnover.
Okay, is it
failed to penalty this one.
Okay, so not related.
Penalty 1,50,000. Say I'm not doing the penalty chapter. I've skipped that one because normally you will not get much question on penalties because there are so many sections. Even if you get confused. Okay, that's why I'm not doing that one. I'm skipping. Please, you guys do that. There are many. What are all these sections? This one we covered. December 20 paper. Okay. Once I finish off this one, we will go to MAT. That is also very easy for you guys. Since it is an MCQ, you will not be given question of complicated ones. Because these AMT, MAT are all very complicated. Since it is an MCQ paper, you will not get complicated questions. Complicated in the sense, the descriptive ones are most complicated ones in this. ICDS. Wherever you see AMT, please stop me, okay?
Sir, control F and you can search AMTs there.
No, see, they have given chapter wise. 38.
Okay.
Question number 38. See, the total income of the partnership firm, Xavier and Company, for the assessment year 2021. You make it as 21-22 or 22-23. 22-23 you make. Okay. Of rupees 8,15,000. Arrived after means they have claimed the deduction of 3580. Will EMT comes or not?
It will come.
It will come. Why? Because they have taken 35 AD. And 80 IB. 80 IB means 80 H2, 80 RRB. It will be in between that.
Yes, sir.
80 H2, 80 RRB. 80 IB is between that or after that?
After that.
80 H2, 80 RRB. 2 means 80 H, J, E, like that. If you count the alphabets, 80 I will come before 80 H or after 80 H.
After 80H.
80H. But before or? A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, or?
Yes, after. Before, it will be in the middle H and R.
Okay. Then you need to add this one also.
Sir, but it's 81, right?
80 I. 81. No, this is 80. I don't know why they have given 81. There is no 81 section in, I think, in income tax. As far as me concerned, I don't know there is a 81 section.
Okay, sir.
Please see those. If you have 81 section, let me know. I don't think 81 is there. I don't know. I haven't read. Maybe I missed that one. Please let me know if you find that one. Okay, 80 IB, 1 lakh. And donation paid to a registered political party. Registered political party means 80 QQC, maybe. Let me see. What is the deduction chapter? 80 QQC. Why I will searching here. If you go to the chapter first one, we will get no deductions.
Chapter 6.
Chapter 6 only. In that only they have given the list, no?
Yes.
You need to understand whether it falls within that or after that. Which is that section we saw?
IB.
80 IB. IB, right? This one. 80 IB. This one. Okay. They are talking about this section. That is not 81. Where is that? Royalty savings bank account senior citizen, this one. Payment based deduction, that one. Political party 80G, sorry. 80GG. Deduction in respect of contribution given by any person to political parties or electoral trust. In this, what they are given? Donation paid to a registered political party by check, 85,000. This is payment. Okay, this is payment. Whatever they have told in AMT. If you guys have seen AMT, they have told income-based deductions. For that, you have claimed the deduction on the income-based. That one. This will not come. Okay, what you need to add? For 8,15,000, you need to add 1 lakh and 11 lakh. Add these two. For 8 lakh 15, add 11 lakh plus 1 lakh. That means 12 lakhs you add.
15,000.
20.
20 lakh 15,000.
20 lakhs 15,000, sir.
20 lakhs 15,000.
Yes, sir.
What they are asking? They are asking what is the adjusted total income.
Just a total income.
What is the adjusted total income?
Total income plus deductions.
No. See, what I told, adjusted total income means what? What I told, adjusted total income means all these heads total income, all hits heads income, minus set off and carry forward, minus 80 deductions. That is the total income. For that, you need to add those three sections. Which are those sections? What is that EMT page number?
458. 58. 58.
Is it 58?
Yes, 458. So you're going down.
458, right?
Yeah, 458.
Page number 458.
This is the 458.
No. The page, yes.
System.
458. System page.
Okay. They have told under which sections. See, under these sections. Okay. Adjusted total income. See here. Adjusted total income means what? Shall be the total income before giving effect to the provisions of chapter 12BA as increased. Increased means adding. After increased means add to total income. What are those? By the deduction claimed under any section 80H to 80RRB other than 80P included in chapter 6A under the heading C. Deductions in respect of certain incomes. On the incomes, whatever the deduction you have claimed, that one. Okay. Deduction claimed under section 10AA. Is it the 10AA income was there? No. Is it 35 AD income was there? Deduction in this? 35 AD is there? It is there. 80 IB is there? Is there. And donation paid to a registered political party by check, 85,000. Adjusted total income we need to calculate. Calculate what is the adjusted total income. Is it 20 lakhs 15,000 or is it 20 lakh 15 8 plus 85 21 lakhs or is it 20 lakhs 15,000 minus 85,000
21 lakhs.
or is it 8 lakh 15,000 minus 85,000 plus 12 lakhs? What is the amount?
Sir, but I have a doubt is why have they given arriving at after claiming deduction?
See,
Before claiming it should be, right?
that's what. Before claim, how will you get? For this, if you add these, you will get the before. See, this is the total income. This is the total income, which you, after claiming this deduction, you have got the total income this much.
Okay, in a sense they have reduced it before. Only.
They have reduced, yes, obviously. While calculating the total income, you should reduce.
Yes, sir. Now understood. Oh, it's 21 lakh. Yes.
21 lakhs, sir.
How?
The 20 lakh 15,000 plus the 85,000, sir.
In check. So it's include.
Paid in check, sir.
You guys are telling 21 lakhs. Question number 38. Okay.
Yes.
Question number 38. They are
ARD.
telling A or D. D means what? I told it is not 80 GGB, GGC is not the income you need to deduct.
Okay.
That is the payment based. They have told 19 lakh 15,000. How they got 19 lakh 15,000? 18 lakhs, 8 lakh 15,000 minus 85,000 deduct first.
7 lakh 30.
For that add 12 lakhs.
19 lakh 30.
19 lakhs 30. That is not the one. Okay. For this 18 lakh 15,000 add 12 lakhs. How much?
20 lakh 15.
From that you deduct 85,000.
Same, sir. 1930.
1930.
Yes.
That means whatever they have given D is wrong. Why I am telling wrong? Because it is the payment. This is the payment. Whatever they have told in this section, it is the income based deduction.
Income based deduction.
Income based deduction in respect of certain incomes they have told. But what we are seeing is donation paid. Paid means you have paid the donation. That is not the income. Okay. Hence 8 lakh 15 plus 11,000 plus 1,000 will be your adjusted total income. Then what is the answer? A. A is the answer. Understood? Not the
B.
B. Why? They have excluded this one, 81. 8 lakh 15 plus 11 they have taken. According to me, it is 80 IB. It is not 1, it is I, because see the difference of 1. One is they have written like this. They have written 1 like this. Okay. For I, they have written like this. This is I, this is 1. If you see properly, 1 is written the way I have written. This is straight line. That is I. There is no 1B deduction. Okay, it is IB.
Sir, so
Okay.
totally adjusted total income is income from all edge plus set off carry forward plus income from 80 C to 80 RRB.
No.
Excluding 80.
1 second. Adjusted total income is nothing but total income plus
Okay.
deduction claimed under section 35AD plus deduction claimed under section 10AA plus deduction claimed under section 80H to 80 RRB.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
called adjusted total income. See this. How you will get total income? Total income is nothing but total income of all 5 heads
Huh.
minus set off and carry forward. You will get gross total income. From that gross total income, if you reduce the deduction under section 80, you will get total income. For the total income, you need to add these three incomes if you have claimed the deduction while calculating this total income.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here they have asked adjusted total income. Adjusted total income is this much. Why I am not taking 85,000? Because it is the payment. Whatever they have given the section heads, 80H to 80 RRB or income-based deductions. 80 GGB, GGC is payment-based deduction. That is the difference.
So even that should be exempted, right?
Not
ATG
exempted. You should not claim. You should not add back.
Not actually here.
You should not add back.
Okay, sir.
Okay. They have asked this one. That means total income, add 35 AD's deduction, add 80 IB. You will get this one.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Okay. You mark this one also. Next for the next one for MAT 40. I think have they given total turnover? Okay. No, don't add. Don't mark this one because it is the tax related question. $45. Okay, it is related to TCS. We will see. CK and companies engaged in the diversified business of sale of Indian-made foreign liquor, tendu leaves, forest produce, neither being timber nor tendu leaves, required to collect TDS. If you guys have seen the TDS chapter, they have given the list. TCS 206. Have you guys somewhere written the page number by any means? They have given the list. Have you guys seen that list? Foreign produce, tendu leaves 5%, foreign produce 5%, 1%, like that they have given. There is one table. See. Indian made foreign liquor, what is the TCS rate?
1%, sir.
What is the tendu leaves TCS percentage?
5%.
What is the forest produce?
2.5.
Any other forest produce not being timber or tendu leaves?
2.5.
2.5. What is the question they are asking? See, it should be in the order. Okay. Indian made foreign liquor. What is the percentage you saw? Indian made foreign liquor. What is the percentage?
1%.
1%. The sequence of answer should be like this. 1%. There is 1% in A and B only. That means this C and D automatically you should exclude. Why? Though the percentages are same, first they are asking foreign liquor, it is 1%. In the first A, 1% and all three automatically get eliminated. C and D automatically gets eliminated. Then the answer is B. 45. Answer. Answer is what? B. You should be little smart. Okay. Which one they ask first? First, that TCS percentage. Even in TDS also like this, they may ask first that section's TDS percentage. Whatever they are asking subsequent, that TDS or TCS percentage. Then you need to learn to exclude the options also. In the balance, you need to decide which is the correct one. Okay. I think there is no other TDS related, AMT related question in this. There is no other AMT related question in this chapter. I mean in this paper. Okay, there is no AMT. We have done AMT. Next, I will go to MAT. What is the MAT? Section 115 JB. This is also same. You have company assessment. Why I asked you to ask that? Have I done the company rates for this? Can anyone tell me the page number? MAT, MAT, MAT 115 JB.
It will be after 458, sir.
115 JB. 462. Mark this one also important. You will get minimum one question from this chapter. Okay. First, applicability. It is applicable to all companies. All companies means what? How many companies are there? How many companies are there? Are you guys there? How many companies are there?
Public, private,
Government, small company.
No. Domestic company and foreign company. In domestic company, these companies will come. Public, private, everything. Okay. Two kinds of companies. One is public and private. Public and foreign and domestic. Okay. It is applicable to both companies. Foreign company as well as domestic company. For both companies, MAT will be applicable. What is applicable? MAT. And another thing, when you are doing MAT, please remember this one. You will enjoy this. When you are doing MAT, you need to forget income tax. What is that? When you are doing MAT, you need to forget income tax. That means whatever you have learned so far, you need to forget everything. Can you afford to forget everything for 1 marks? No. Okay, but you need to forget. That means you should not remember any of the provisions of income tax for doing MAT. That is caution. Okay. Third thing, the rate of MAT applicable is 15%. What is that?
10%.
What is the rate of MAT?
15%.
15%. Okay. It is applicable to all, okay? All companies. Whether Indian company, domestic company, Indian company means domestic company only. For all companies, it is applicable. Second thing, what is the rate of tax? MAT rate is what?
15%.
15%. Okay. Now, whatever we have learned that the tax rates of the companies. How many tax rate we learned for the companies? Can anyone tell me the tax rates? According to me, we learned 4. Can you tell me the rates at least?
15, 22, 25, 30.
15, 22, 25, 30. 30 is the common rate. Okay. 15 is the 30 is the common rate. Then there is one 25% tax rate. To whom it is applicable? It is applicable only to manufacturing companies. Do you guys remember that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only for manufacturing companies it is applicable 25%. To whom 22% tax rate will be applicable?
Domestic company exercising option under 115 BAA.
BAA. Okay. It is applicable to them. To whom 15% tax rate will be applicable?
Manufacturing company established on or after 1st October 2019.
Okay. The 25% will be applicable to those companies whose turnover during the previous year 1920 has not exceeded 400 crores. I told you no, that one also.
Yes.
Why 1920 previous year they have taken, not 2021 or 21-22? Because in 1920 audit would have finished for that year. You will be knowing the correct audited turnover. Hence, they have taken that turnover. 400 crores, not 400 lakhs. Okay, remember these limits, 400 crores. Any other company other than this, 30% will be applicable. This is the normal rate. What is the surcharge for the company, domestic company? What is the surcharge? Domestic
30%.
surcharge for domestic company it is 7% up to 1 crore. If the 1 crore of total income exceeds, it is 12%. For foreign company, it is 2%. If the turnover exceeds 2%, it will be how much?
5%.
5%. Okay, you need to remember all these things. See here, they are given. Company opting 115 BAA, 115 BAB. We saw not 22%, 25%, those kind of companies. The flat 10% surcharge. irrespective of their income, 10%. Norm, obviously, 4% HEC will be applicable to all companies. Tax plus surcharge on that 4%. Okay, 115 BA I told. What are all the things they need to forego? Okay. Now we are coming to MAT. Remember the thing, you need to forget the income tax. But for you, they will not give the computation part. They will only ask what is the tax payable, what is the tax credit, MAT credit to be brought forward how many years, like that they will give. Okay. MAT, minimum alternate tax. Okay, before that, we need to understand the tax of the domestic companies, tax rates. Okay, why tax rate important? I will tell you why it is important to understand that 25%, 22, 15%, those kind of stuffs. Okay, section 115 JB, which was a special provision applicable to company if its total income as computed under the Income Tax Act was less than 30% of its book profit, was introduced with effect from 1988. Okay, see here we call it as book profit. In AMT we called it as adjusted total income. That is the one difference. Okay, the second one, not only those three, there are few items you need to add and deduct. Okay, I will not tell all those things because you will definitely get confused. You will not ask the computation part also. Hence, don't worry about the computation of book profit. Only thing you remember, book profit word. Okay, it was revised as section 115 JA with effect from 1497 as a provision deeming total income equal to 30% of book profit of the companies referred to earlier. Don't remember all these things. It is not at all required for you. This provision was also discontinued with effect from 1/4/2001 but was substituted by section 115 JB. This is important. 115 JB is the effective section. Okay. The provisions of 115 JB is 15% of book profit plus surcharge plus education cess you need to apply. What does it mean? Net profit, some net profit will be given. For that, you need to add or reduce. They have given the list in this section. They have given the list. Only those sections you need to add. Only those sections you need to deduct. Whatever you add and deduct, whatever you get, that will be your book profit. There how we arrived? Total income, add 35 AD deduction, add 10 AA, we arrived at the adjusted total income. Here, what is the base? The base is net profit. There the base was total income. Here the base is net profit. That is the difference here. Okay. Second thing, whatever they have given the list, only those items you need to add, you need to deduct. There are around 12 to 13 items of addition. 12 to 13 items of deductions, or take it on an average 10 deduction, 10 addition. You will not given all those 10, all those deduction of 10, addition of 10. They may give maybe one. I don't think even they will give 10, one also, because it is not that easy to compute, because you don't have the in scope of what is called as descriptive answering. It is not in scope. That is why they will not give the items also. Okay, whatever you get, this will be direct book profit on this MAT 15% rate, surcharge. What is that surcharge? 7% or 12% or 2% or 5%. This 7 and 5 is applicable. 7 and 12 is applicable to domestic company. 2 and 5% is applicable to foreign companies. When you see the heading, you will get to know that it is foreign company or domestic company. In previous one, we saw no SAM Private Limited. Is it domestic or foreign company? SAM Private Limited. It is domestic company, private limited. Okay. Otherwise, they will give SAM Private Limited is a foreign company, like that they will give. Okay. Understand that one. How much is the rate? What is the MAT rate?
Yeah, 15%.
AMT rate?
18.5.
Earlier it was 18.5% only. For MAT and AMT both were same. But 2 years back they have reduced the MAT 15%. But AMT they have kept as it is. Okay. MAT rate is 15%. And how many years MAT credit can be carried forward?
15 years.
Same. There is no change at all in that. Only thing, rate you need to remember. 15% in MAT. Okay. See, all these things they will tell. The profit and loss should be done according to Schedule 3. The new schedule. You have derived the profit. For that profit, you need to add few items. Okay. I will show you. See, these things shall be added if debited, they have told. There are so many items. See, in A, income tax, there are so many. B, C, D, E, F, FA, FB. That's why I'm not going to do all these things. Otherwise, you will get confused. FC, FD, GHIJ, K. How many are there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, 11. In F, there are around 4 to 5. Total 15, 16 items. You need to add if it is given. It is not that easy to remember also. Okay, that's why I'm not doing. Second, amount to be deducted. Means after adding, you need to deduct few items also if it has been credited in the P&L. What are those? They have given 1, 2, 2A, 2B, 2C, like that. They have given the other few items, around 14 to 15 items. Okay, whatever is there, please take this one. I will tell you one thing in this. Whatever you get after adding, reducing everything, book profit, Okay. It is assumed that, just for my understanding sake, I will writing it as gross book profit. Okay. From this gross book profit, one adjustment they may give, I will tell you that. Okay. Unabsorbed depreciation these two items they may give unabsorbed depreciation, business loss. Okay. As per books, as per Income Tax Act. Like that they will give. Please listen this carefully. Only you may get this one. Okay. Unabsorbed depreciation they will give. 2 CR I will write, 2 crores, like that I will write, or I will put it in simple words. 20,000, 35,000, 45,000, 20,000. Like this they may give. They may give book profit. I will 2 lakhs, 21 lakhs book profit you will get, assume that. Okay, you need to do the adjustment for these two. For either of these two, you need to do the adjustment. What you need to do the adjustment means, you need to less. Okay, before arriving the net book profit, or simply the book profit. If they have given these adjustments, normally they will give. If they want to test you in math, they will give this one. Okay. Remember, whatever unabsorbed depreciation or business loss, you guys there? Please respond. Otherwise, I will be thinking that you guys have slept.
No, sir. We are there.
How? Remember.
We are present, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. Unabsorbed depreciation and business loss, if they have given as per books and as per Income Tax Act, if they have given these two, don't consider as per Income Tax Act. Okay, don't consider that. Only as per books you need to consider. Only for MAT. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Of this, you need to deduct only one of these two. Only one of these two. That is unabsorbed depreciation or business loss, whichever is less as per books. You need to deduct. Now tell me which one I should deduct.
20,000 depreciation.
What is that?
Depreciation, 20,000.
Depreciation, unabsorbed depreciation only we need to deduct. Okay, out of this you need to deduct 20,000 from this. The balance is your book profit. On this you need to pay 15% MAT, add surcharge depending on your book profit. If the book profit exceeded 1 crore, 7%, not exceeded 10 crores, 7%. If it has exceeded 10 crores, 12%. Total that 15% plus surcharge, For that you add 4%.
Sir, the 2 crore ಮೇಲೆ 15% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
Yes. On this. After adjusting this. Okay. That part I will show you.
Hello.
There are so many things in this, After the introduction of Ind AS, you guys know? Are you studying Ind AS? In second group, there is one chapter is there, no? Accounting, and there you have Ind AS. Has it gone up? See, the amount of loss brought forward or unobserved depreciation. They have used the word or. Or means what?
Even.
Or means what?
Either of them.
Either loss or unobserved depreciation. Any one of those two, what they are telling? Either loss or unobserved depreciation, whichever is less. Of what?
Of profit.
Of as per books. As per books. They will give as per Income Tax Act. Your mind will go. We are doing income tax. We are doing income tax. We need to take income tax. Don't. I told you, no? When you are doing math, you need to forget income tax. Okay? As per books, the loss or unobserved depreciation. Loss or unobserved depreciation, whichever is less, as per books, you need to deduct. That is what we have done. Loss or depreciation, whichever is less, as per books, we have deducted. Understood?
Yes, sir.
This adjustment they may give. Okay? This adjustment they may give in the exam. And the match credit carry forward is how much? 15%, 15 years. Okay. And if the company is situated in, we saw no somewhere 9%. 9% of book profit if the assessee is located in International Financial Service Center, IFSS. They will give like this only. The assessee has been doing the business in IFSS, International Financial Services Center. Then instead of 15%, you have to apply 9%. The same applicable to AMT also. Okay, the same percentage applicable to AMT also. Where when it is applicable 9%, if the assessee means who is doing the business there. Okay, that person. Understood? What is the difference? Instead of 15%, you will apply 9%. For both AMT and MAT, this is constant. This base percentage changes. For MAT, it is 15%. For AMT, it is 18.5%. Understood? Which question I marked for MAT? I mark some questions now for MAT.
June paper 44 question.
June 44.
Maybe.
No, 44 is another one. Which June? No, it told no somewhere. MAT.
ಅದೇ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ AMT ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸರ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ AMTನೇ ಅದು 115 JB I told no somewhere.
Andhra wala सब Andhra job आइचंदी चुन चांगरी कया बनाई particularly मैं जगह को घरे घास फूस कर बारू आसी जाई मटन चिकन की आसते कोन डबल घर तो खायो नहीं एमिति नहीं जे घर मगे खाई परियो ने बोली की घर मगे खाई परियो घर के मगे खाई
I told no this will be for MAT.
करिया नहीं है मैंने जाना बाहर करती मुझे मस्ती खाई टीवी मस्ती
The same thing. This one 38. The MAT 15 years. In MAT also it is 15 years. I will show you. Brought forward loss. Where have we gone? We have seen MAT credit somewhere.
तो तुम स्वामी माने जो कि नॉनवेज खाएं खाओगे बाहर मौके खाएंगे कौन ऑब्जेक्शन मुझे घोरू नॉनवेज
This is also 15 years. Okay.
ठीक है अबे मो नॉनवेज चले अरे बनो हम तो घर के आते हैं ना बोल लो इन बाहर के तोलटा के बाहर के लिए मटन सब पहुंच ताऊ जी कोन मु खाउती बोली
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 462
460 472 okay MAT credit okay 15 assessment years same for AMT and MAT there is no change at all
डब्बा देते जैसे डब्बा
only change in MAT and AMT is percentage base percentage in MAT 15% in AMT it is 18.5 if the unit is situated in IFSS 9% for both
भिंडी बजा के 5 चमचा भिंडी बजा के चाचा रोटी तरकारी तो रोटी चुकीला जिंकला तीन पार्टी
see question number illustration 12
तो सिंपल लॉजिक में तो कोई दीची तमा बड़ बोगा मस्ट्री को क्लियर कट कर दी
okay
तो तार कॉस्ट कटिंग करे अछि तो तार खाना
shall we close for the day
डाबनी शेडा
Yes, sir.
maybe some other day I will take okay I am extremely sorry I am not at all well
ತುಂಬಾ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸರ್
ತುಂಬಾ ಧೂಳು ಮನೆ ಕಸ ಗುಡಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಹಳೆ ಧೂಳು I am extremely sorry I scheduled for some more time I couldn't able to do okay you guys understood
yes
Yes.
we will see any
Yes, sir.
1 second. Is there any other math question? Did I mark? See why they will not give math? Because it is not that easy. Very complicated one. In entire income tax, math is the most complicated chapter. You guys are very lucky that you don't have descriptive answer, question in this. You need to do many adjustments for Ind AS, this one. Okay. We will continue the rest of the chapters in the coming days. Maybe we have Thursday and Friday, no? We can finish off advanced tax and interest in those 2 days. The remaining chapters I will do other day. Okay. From next month we will start GST. Maybe on Sundays we will do the income tax part. Okay, GST is also huge, very huge chapters.
Sir, just like income tax, whether there is any calculation part.
Yes. It is there. Most of all calculations only. How much GST needs to be paid? Is it applicable or not, like that? Calculation will be there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, majorly I will discuss the provisions.
ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಂತದ ನವರಾತ್ರಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಏನಂತದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ.
Thank you. Wish you the same. Happy Dasara to you all.
Yes sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Same to you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. Shall I close it for the day?
Yes, sir. Please take rest.
Get well soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.
ಬೇಗ ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.
Yeah, thank you.